Hello everyone, this is Shubham from Gossip Funda and today I am going to elaborate about the topic System UI not responding, what is it and how to fix it. So basically in your phone sometimes there is some issues regarding phone like System UI isn't responding, what could be the solution for it. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So here are the problems as well as their solution if your System UI is not responding. Well, the first and the foremost could be if your phone storage is low. So insufficient storage is one of the main reasons why your phone could lag or even sometimes not respond to you. Like if you're trying to opening app, it's showing not responding and other stuffs. Second could be your SD card. There is a defect in your SD card also. Now many a times, like in recent phones, basically there are too much storage space. Like you can get up to 64 to till 1 terabyte even, but that's for the premium. For a mid-range phone you can get up to like 256 GB of storage. So many people don't use SD card, but for those who use SD card, make sure the chip is not broken, that the golden chip in we used to like insert, and make sure the SD card is not affected by any kind of virus. Do check that. And the third could be your apps may not be updated. That could be also a reason. See, app update is one of the important features because you use the app on daily purpose, and if the developer pushes any kind of update, you should update it so that it could fix more bugs and other kind of stuff in your mobile phone. And the fourth one is, after app update is, you can also update your phone. If any update has come, don't delay for it, update it as soon as possible. Maybe the developer or the company have pushed the update, it could be helpful for you only, and the phone could respond fast to you, any of the applications and any other stuff also. The last and the least point is, charge your phone at correct time. Like don't overcharge it, or don't get the charge, or don't let your phone charge below 20%. Sometimes what happen, if you use your phone below 20%, your system may also not respond because of the low battery usage. And yeah, many of them have noticed, like I even noticed, below 20% the phone eats a lot of battery, and if you turn on battery saver too, then it will also affect. And yes, don't use too much, don't overuse your phone in unnecessary time. It is also a device, give it a rest. So yeah. Now even after following the previous steps, if your phone is showing still System UI isn't responding, these are the further steps you should follow. In this, you should go to settings and apps, then on the three dot bar and select reset app preferences. App preference does is basically shows you app according to your usage base. Like if you use WhatsApp, it will show it on the top, and if you use Instagram or Facebook less, it will show you at the bottom, so you can uninstall them whenever you want to. The second one is, you can go to the Google Play Store settings and clear the cache, or even clear the data if you want to. What this will help is, like if you install any app and you uninstall it again, it will clear the left out data, and it will also like clear all the stuffs and the junk it left in your phone after uninstalling. Even after following all the steps and guidelines which I have provided in the previous video parts, then probably you should go to the service center and once service your phone, because yeah, servicing is important too. And even after servicing and all those stuff, if this showing, then you should probably change your mobile phone. So yeah, these were some of my steps to follow if the System UI isn't responding. From SD card to clearing Google cache, everything is legal, and it could help you boost your phone speed too. Also, there is a security in your phone. Do check your clean junk, security scan your phone every day, or probably if you are busy, every week. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Do like, comment, share it to your friends, and subscribe to Gossip Funda for these further technical updates. Don't forget to put down your queries in the comment section. I've also added a link in the description area for these for the other videos as well. Do check that. Stay happy, stay safe, get vaccinated, and yes, do subscribe to Gossip Funda. Goodbye.